Are you tired of dealing with a noisy furnace? As a homeowner in Austin, TX, you rely on your furnace to keep your home warm and cozy during the cold winter months. However, if your furnace is making noise, it can be a sign of a larger problem. At your HVAC company, our expert technicians can diagnose and repair the issue quickly and efficiently. Don't ignore the problem, as it can lead to costly repairs or even replacement of your furnace. Contact us at 555-555 to schedule an appointment today. Learn more about our services and how we can help you with your furnace repair needs.